So I just want to do a super quick product review. And like, I don't know how to put this, but this is one of the best products. Well, it's a shampoo and conditioner combo that I have used in a long time. Those of you who watch my channel, y'all know I'm a product junkie. So I'm constantly using different products, constantly doing reviews and everything. And I have got to tell y'all about these two products that I found at Sally Beauty Supply. And the way that I actually stumbled upon them was like years and years ago. My mom had suggested this brand to me because I think they still have the product. It's a product for your scalp, like when you have itchy, dry scalp. I'll try to find that, and if I do, I'll leave it in the description box. But I didn't know that they also had a shampoo and conditioner that comes with it in that line. And what it is the L'Oreal Nature's Therapy Mega Moisture shampoo, and it says nurturing cream, but it's a conditioner. Okay, this stuff is so bomb. Like, a lot of y'all DM me and y'all be like, what can I use for dry, brittle hair, or how can I get more moisture in my hair? Y'all always asking me what products I use, what product is good for this, what product is good for that. This is so good if you need extra moisture in your hair. I hear my kids coming upstairs, which is why I was trying to do this video quickly. But oh my gosh, y'all, it smells heavenly. It smells like mango and orange with a tinge of sweetness to it. It says it's for dry, chemically processed hair. I'm gonna get up close where you can see what the packaging looks like. This is the shampoo right here, and this is the conditioner. Okay, and I would like read all the description and stuff. Like, okay, the shampoo, I'm gonna do it really quickly because there's not a lot on the back. The shampoo, it says gently cleanses dry, chemically processed hair while nurturing and helping to restore moisture balance. It says lather, rinse, repeat if needed. Use the Mega Moisture Nurturing Cream for best results. Like, seriously, like, usually I tell y'all, use whatever you want to, switch the products up. No, these two go together like peanut butter and jelly, okay? Like, for real, for real. First of all, this shampoo, my hair was so soft after just shampooing, I almost didn't even like really feel like I needed to deep condition. Like, I seriously was like, okay, my hair is soft, and like it feel like it's awesome. Of course, all products work differently on different people. So I just want to put that out there. I did buy these products with my own money. I want to put that out there too. But I thought these two were excellent for putting moisture back in your hair. I'm going to let you see the ingredients list if you want to pause it right here. And it is sulfate, but what's crazy is that it's so moisturizing. Like, you can't even tell it's sulfate. It's so moisturizing, like, for real. The color of it, it's nice and creamy, and it's orange. It's like a light orange. I don't know if you can see that in there. It's like a pearly orange color. And I really like that. This right here, I'm gonna take the top off where you can see it. I like the way both of them smell. This is what it looks like. That little bit of pink in there, that's my semi-permanent hair dye. That's what that is. But this is what it looks like. It's moving around so you can see the consistency. It's not real thick or whatever. On the back of it, it says deeply nurtures and detangles hair for improved smoothness, condition, and manageability. The ingredients are really small on this, but I'm gonna still try to get it up as close as I can and where you can see. Okay, not sure if you can see that or not, but I'm gonna wrap this up. I just shampooed and conditioned my hair with these two products. I've used it about 3 or 4 times so far, and I absolutely love both of them. Like, seriously, my hair so soft. Like I'm obsessed with soft hair, and it's like my hair is just so soft, like for real, just soft. This is what my hair looks like before I get ready to put in a bun. I just want to leave it down so y'all can see it. Y'all know I gelled the perimeter up with Eco Styler gel, and then I'm just gonna like wrap it around and make a little bun. I did a video of that. I'll leave it up above if I don't forget. But yeah, this is what it looks like before I put my hair up in the bun. Gonna do my little protective hairstyling and everything. But yeah, let me know if you guys know of any good moisturizing products. Definitely leave those below. If you have any recommended products that I should try, because I'm always trying stuff, like so many products. I told myself I wasn't gonna buy nothing else until I finished what I have, but you know how that go. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.